Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best portable washing machine in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best portable washing machine in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 Cu. Foot Portable Washer **** is a convenient and space-saving laundry solution designed for homes, apartments, dorms, and RVs. With a 6.6-pound capacity ***, it easily handles daily laundry needs while remaining compact enough to fit in small spaces. This portable washing machine features 5 versatile wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, allowing you to choose the ideal setting for different fabric types and soil levels. The washer includes a quick connect sink adapter, making setup fast and hassle-free without the need for permanent plumbing. Its built-in drain hose ensures efficient water removal after each cycle. A transparent lid lets you monitor the washing process, while the LED control panel offers simple, user-friendly operation. Designed for efficiency, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer saves time, water, and energy. Durable, reliable, and easy to move, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking powerful cleaning performance in a compact, portable design. Number 2. The COMFEE 2.4 Cu.ft LED portable washing machine is the perfect solution for compact living without compromising performance. Designed for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes, this portable washer delivers powerful and efficient cleaning in a space-saving design. With 8 versatile wash programs, it easily handles everything from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled clothes, giving you complete laundry flexibility. Its LED display and simple control panel make operation intuitive, while the child lock feature ensures added safety for families. Built with environmentally friendly technology, the COMFEE washing machine optimizes water and energy usage, helping reduce utility costs while supporting sustainable living. Despite its compact size, the 2.4 cubic feet capacity allows you to wash larger loads than typical portable washers, saving time and effort. Quiet operation, durable construction, and modern styling make it a reliable and stylish addition to any space. The COMFEE portable washing machine combines convenience, efficiency, and safety for everyday laundry needs. Number 3. Make laundry simple anywhere with the COSTWAY portable washing machine, designed for small spaces without sacrificing performance. This twin tub washer features a 20 pounds total capacity, with a powerful 12 pounds washing tub and an efficient 8 pounds spinning tub, letting you wash and spin at the same time. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and camping setups, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Easy-to-use control knobs allow you to adjust washing time and spinning speed for different fabric types. The high-performance motor delivers strong cleaning action while saving water and energy compared to traditional machines. A built-in drain hose makes emptying water quick and mess-free. Finished in a sleek black and white design, this portable washer blends style with practicality. If you need a reliable, space-saving laundry solution, the COSTWAY twin tub washing machine is a smart, convenient choice for everyday loads and gentle care in limited living spaces with ease always. Number 4. Make laundry simple anywhere with a portable washing machine, a compact 2.0 Cu.ft full automatic washer designed for space-saving living. Perfect for apartments, small homes, RVs, and dorm rooms, this top-loading washer delivers powerful cleaning without taking over your floor space. The generous 2.0 Cu.ft capacity handles daily loads efficiently, while multiple wash programs let you customize cycles for delicates, normal wear, or heavier fabrics. One-touch automatic operation fills, washes, rinses, and spins with minimal effort, saving time and water. Its quiet performance is ideal for shared spaces, and the transparent lid lets you monitor progress at a glance. Easy-to-connect hoses and a built-in drain pump make setup fast and hassle-free. Want clean clothes without the bulk of a traditional washer? This portable solution offers convenience, performance, and flexibility in one smart, compact design. Ideal for modern lifestyles and frequent moves with reliable results every single wash. Number 5. Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine delivers powerful, space-saving performance for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. With a 17.8 pounds capacity, this full automatic washer handles daily laundry with ease, while the 2.4 Cu.ft washer and dryer combo saves time and energy. The built-in drain pump ensures quick, hassle-free water removal, and multiple wash programs adapt to different fabrics and soil levels. A durable glass top lid lets you monitor cycles at a glance, complemented by a bright LED display for simple control. Compact yet robust, the machine operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for limited spaces. The stainless steel inner tub provides gentle but thorough cleaning, reducing wear on clothes. Easy to install and move, Nictemaw's portable washer offers convenience without compromising results. Enjoy fresh, clean laundry anytime with a reliable modern solution designed for flexible living and everyday comfort. Its energy-efficient design helps lower utility costs while delivering consistent performance you can trust every wash cycle at home daily.